The ANCEL HD430 Diesel Scanner is versatile, catering to a wide range of commercial vehicles, making it a practical tool for truck owners and repair shops. It features robust diesel particulate filter reset and regeneration capabilities, specifically for Cummins and Caterpillar engines, helping maintain engine performance and compliance with emissions standards. With comprehensive diagnostic features, it can efficiently assess various truck systems, ensuring a thorough health check for the vehicle. The scanner's HDOBD diagnostic functions allow for quick identification and resolution of fault codes, providing valuable vehicle data and live status updates. Additionally, it serves as a universal OBDII code reader, compatible with most post-1996 vehicles in the United States, offering extensive diagnostic coverage. Designed for user convenience, the ANCEL HD430 features a clear, full-color display and intuitive controls, facilitating easy and efficient operation without the need for registration.